Hello everyone. So today we are looking at some sigils which we have here. Actually, this is a new sigil. You will get the picture of this on Pinterest. I just created it like this. It was suggested to me by one of my clients. She was the one who showed me this. Actually, I had this before, but I never had the idea of making it into a sigil this in this way. She gave me the idea of this and I have made this like this. Looks very beautiful. You can see here. So these sigils are for specific purposes. There are sigils for good communication skills, there are sigils for business purpose, there are sigils for increasing your intuition, and different purposes like that. This is a different sigil. This is an archangel sigil. If you can see here, this is a archangel sigil. All the archangel names are in it. It's a different sigil. Now this is mammon sigil. As you know, the mammon sigil. This is the clonic sigil. Many of you have bought this from me. Let's look what is inside here. Okay, this is a Solomon seal sigil. This is Archangel Raphael sigil. You can see the name here. Here you can see the name, Archangel Raphael sigil. Now this is a different sigil. This is used for anyone who doesn't want any bad luck to come to them. This you can use this for forcing bad luck away. Means no bad luck. This, if you keep this with you, you will have no bad luck. We know that most of the times we have bad luck, and that is why we lose money, we lose opportunities, etc. This is Saint Michael, Archangel Michael sigil. You can see the name here. Okay. Archangel Michael sigil is very good to keep if you need protection from anything. This is another sigil. Now, what are sigils and how they can be used? Sigils are actually signatures of like symbols. Archangel sigils are signatures of angels, supposed to be signatures of angels. So every entity is identified with a sigil. So that is why we have sigils for every archangel, every angel, every fallen angel, every god. We have sigils like that. So how do you use these sigils? These sigils are mainly used in manifestation. So how do you use the sigil actually? Now I'll tell you one way which I do, and which is very effective and the most powerful method to do. People use sigils, paper sigils, and they burn them also. This is another sigil which you need to look at. This is the most impossible wish come true sigil. If you keep this and you manifest with this, any wish you want will come true. This is the manifestation sigil of Solomon seals. This and this together is a deadly combination. If you keep these two in your hand and you manifest, whatever you want will happen. This has happened to me. I have a proof of this, and many people who have bought this from me, they have proof of this, that this really works, these two combination. But it must be two sigils. Okay, you cannot keep. I used to do one behind the other, but I am not doing now. You should not keep like that. You should keep separate is better. Keeping one behind the other is also not bad or anything. It doesn't give any bad effect, but keeping separate is always better. So that is that. Now coming back to what I was saying. So a lot of people take paper sigils. They draw on paper, or they take print out, cut it out, and they burn it. There is a theory like that also, that you can burn the sigil for your wish. But the most powerful method I have found, and through experience I am telling you, this is the best method of using a sigil, is having a physical sigil like this, you take a candle, you light the candle, you write your manifestation wish, whatever manifestation you want, you write, keep it under this sigil. Like, you take a piece of paper, suppose this is a piece of paper, you keep it on top of you write your manifestation, whatever it is. Like I have a big huge house, I have lots of money in the bank, whatever, like that you write in like affirmations, you write in the present tense or in the past tense, never in the future tense. Okay, हमेशा पास्ट टेंस में या फिर प्रेजेंट टेंस में, जब जैसे कि हो गया, ये काम आपका हो गया, ऐसे आपको लिखना है एफर्मेशंस। और एक कैंडल रखे, उसके नीचे कैंडल रखे लाइट करके, ये सिजिल के नीचे आपका जो भी विश है वो ऐसे पेपर में राइट करके लिख के, ये सिजिल उसके ऊपर रखना ऐसे, और कैंडल इधर रखना उसके पास, और आप 10 मिनट डेली ऐसे मेडिटेट करो, आपका जो भी विश है वो हो जाएगा। ये दिस इज़ अ प्रूवन formula. I have tried this, many people whom I have given also have tried this and it has come true. So I am not talking about one particular sigil, any sigil you want, you can do like that. So whatever your wish is, corresponding sigil you make and you do like this, it will work. So that is how sigils work. You can also write in paper and burn the paper, but for me it has not worked. I have tried in my early days that way. That is when I started believing in making physical sigils like this, So then I started making like this and it really works. Mammon sigil, as you know, is for wealth. So this is Raphael sigil is for Raphael sigil. Where is that? Is for health, for healing. See, if you are a healer, you are doing healing work and all also, you can keep one Raphael sigil with you while you are doing distant healing. While you are doing healing for your clients, you can use that also. So that is it in today's class. Anybody wants the sigils, please contact me on the WhatsApp number given on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and also give a thumbs up if you like this video. Any questions about this will be answered on WhatsApp. Now one more thing I want to say here very urgently, very importantly, not urgently, sorry, very importantly, is that some of you come to me asking me questions and saying, I want to discuss this, I want to discuss that, etc. See, all the free information is given on YouTube. All my videos are available on YouTube. You can watch, you can search my channel and watch any video you want about clonic, about other manifestation, all that is given here. Now anything specifically other than that is a paid service. Why it is a paid service is because I don't have the time to talk to hundreds of people who send me messages for a call every day. Okay, because I do a lot of work, so I don't have that time. So we have made it a paid service. If you want to discuss a problem or if you want to ask something that is not in the videos, then it will be a paid service. You can contact on WhatsApp and we will give you the GPay number to make a payment. You make a payment and you can make a call and you can ask whatever you want and I'll give your answers. There is no time limit for the call. You can talk as much as you want. So this is how it works. Please don't feel offended. बुरा मत माना जब मैं कॉल्स नहीं उठाती क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है सबके लिए बात करने के लिए। तो अगर कोई भी डाउट्स आपका है तो ये फ्री वीडियोस है ना यूट्यूब पे, इस पे सारे डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है। अगर ये वीडियोस में जो है वो आपके लिए काफ़ी नहीं है, आपको कुछ और पूछना है तो वो पेड सर्विस होगा। तो आपको मुझे व्हाट्सएप करना है और मैं आपको जीपे नंबर दूंगी, आप मुझे पेमेंट करना और उसके बाद कॉल करके बात करना कोई भी आपका प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करने के लिए। ये क्यों हमने ऐसे रखा है कि डेली हमें 10, 15, 20 मैसेजेस आते हैं ऐसे बात करने के लिए, तो सबके साथ बात करने के लिए टाइम नहीं होगा ना, तो इतना सारा काम मैं कर रही हूँ, मेरा कोर्सेस है, ये सारी प्रोडक्ट्स में मतलब आई मेक इट बाय हैंड, दे आर ऑल हैंडमेड, मैं खुद बनाती हूँ, तो इसलिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होगा कि सबके साथ बात करने के लिए। कुछ कभी कभी लोग वैसे ऐसे ही जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन यूट्यूब पे है उस पर भी बात करना चाहते हैं, तो इसलिए हमने ये पेड सर्विस रखा। तो प्लीज़ बुरा मत मानिएगा, अगर आपको कुछ और कुछ और टॉपिक पे बात करना है या फिर आपका प्रॉब्लम कुछ डिस्कस करना है तो ये पेड सर्विस होगा, ठीक है। चलो, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल।